all are you all are doing your best of best job in dealing with different minds sitting inside your classroom. You all are technology enabled teachers because you represent the subject which is absolutely high as per the technology. So we welcome you into this exclusive session. My name is Saurabh Beniwal. I am your host and moderator from Indianica Learning Private Limited. Welcome you all to this exclusive session tagged named as Skill Up for the Young Educators. Well, thank you so much again for having your time, and we request you to please join this whole training marathon. It's not only first session. You must have received a creative in which there is a schedule till December is mentioned. So we request you to please keep on joining the session. Of course, you want to get to learn from the perspective of the trainer, as well as you can get an opportunity to grab a participation certificate as well. So um, today I will invite the trainer for the day. She is, I mean, of course, in the computer science industry, she doesn't require any introduction. She has worked with best of best companies and, of course, with educators to develop the best of best material for IT solutions. She is our renowned series editor for computer science department, and she is also the HOD of computer science department at Indianica Learning. Miss Arpita Singh is with us. Arpita, we are just hold on. We are glad to have you here in this session, and we request you from your rich background, from your rich experience, if you can share certain tips with our respected educators on how we can effectively use the term AI and technology to be able to develop those skills or deal with different learners inside the classrooms. Arpita, over to you. I should not be a part of in between you and your participants now. Over to you, and thank you so much, participants, for joining. I just would like to tell you one more thing. By the end of this session, Arpita will share one link with all of you using chat option. That link also that link is required for us to get your participation certificate link. Please fill that link. That has only 3-4 questions. Fill that, then probably we'll be getting your data as well. Thank you so much. Arpita, over to you.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. Hope you all can hear me. Am I audible to you all? You can just show a thumbs up if I'm audible. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So we are all teachers here. We all are teachers here. Now, the main perspective of a teacher is to educate, and make the child learn. Whoever is the student in front of you, irrespective of the age, make the child understand what's your perspective and the knowledge you want to share. So today here, all of us teachers are going to discuss about a very interesting issue, very interesting topic, and that is AI. Now, you all know that today we are going to learn how to teach AI in the classes, right? So before that, I would just like to know whether you have taught AI even for some time, or even for one day, even or you have introduced about AI in the class. You can use the chat box to write yes, that yes, you have discussed about AI in the class. That's great. Good evening. Good evening to you all. I hope everyone has joined and nobody is in the waiting room. Yes. So we can start the discussion, because this will not be a very lengthy session, a short session. And Okay, great. Your computer teachers have done. Yes, the computer teachers have discussed, most of the computer teachers have discussed about AI. If even have not given a formal training or formal education to the students, but yes, AI, the knowledge about AI is very much necessary today. Yes, so me, Arpita Singh, is taking a session with all of my dear students with you, that how you will introduce AI to our blooming buds. Blooming buds means the kids who have just entered the school. You have just entered the school. Now, this is the biggest challenge that you face, because teaching about AI to a higher standard student, that is class 6 or 7 or 8 or probably 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th class student, is probably easier, because they have already heard so much these days about AI and AI applications and AI tools and all. So they have already heard or introduced themselves about AI. But to the blooming buds, to the kids who have just joined the school, that is 5 plus 8, 6 plus 8, 7 plus 8, class 1 to standard kids. So when you introduce AI to those students, how what challenges do you face, or how will you actually introduce the students in the class with AI? The basic steps, what you should do, what you should follow. Many of you must be doing this, but there should be a series of understanding, and there should be a series of giving the proper training to the students, when like irrespective of showing them that you are teaching them something. So when the kids know that you are teaching them something, they are least interested. When they know they are not getting taught, they are just experiencing something, they are enjoying something in the class, or they are just getting to learn something new in the class, so their interest factor increases. So yes, let me share my screen with you. Hope you all are able to see my screen. Yes, you can show me a thumbs up if my screen is visible to you. Is my screen visible to you? Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. So today's discussion is how AI should be taught for blooming buds. Now, how the young minds, the young brains should be introduced with AI in a fun, engaging, and non-teaching method, absolutely non-teaching method, in a very fun and engaging method. And this is very much required for today's kids, because all around us in the world, there is AI. So now, what approach I prefer to teach my students, and what I prefer to apply in my books, in my educational content, is holistic learning approach, differentiated learning approach, and using multiple kind of things and activities that students are very interested with. So those kind of activities we use, and this makes learning very much fun and engaging. So let's start with today's session, and I hope this will be a very skillful experience for you all. So today is we are going to learn about how to introduce AI to those young minds, to those class 1, class 2, class 3 level students. So as per NCF, this level is called the foundation level, that is class 1 and 2. So today we are talking about AI to foundation level, not the bigger kids, just the foundation level. So every one of us know what is AI. Yes, you know what is AI. AI is the ability for a computer to think and learn. This is a definition. This is just a definition, and definition, you get it everywhere. You do not teach the kid with definition. The child is not going to learn the definition. These definitions work nothing for the child. So they do not need to learn this definition. They need to experience what is AI. So they need to experience this definition, that yes, AI is something that can think for us and that can learn by itself. So let's learn how to teach these small kids about AI, how to introduce AI to them. Now, how the kids will understand? To let the kids discover AI in everyday life. You set them free. You let them discover AI from everyday life. You ask them, where do you see AI? Now, where? They see, the kids, today's kids see AI at home, in the world outside, and at school. All the places, they are at home, they are all the time experiencing AI, irrespective of the fact that they know that this is AI. They do not know this is AI, but yes, they are experiencing. Just from the time of birth, after just gaining some senses, they whatever they are seeing at home, there are many things that are related to AI, and they do not know that. Now, this is our job to make them understand that whatever you are seeing at home, there are many things related to AI. There are many things in the outside world that they are experiencing every day, which is related to AI. There are many things at school that is related to AI. Now, what are those things? So let's have a look. For example, ask the kids in the class, have they seen a smartphone? Yes, they must have seen. Today's kids know what is a phone, what is a smartphone. They must have seen in the hands of their parents or elders at home. Anywhere, they have seen this kind of phone. They have seen this kind of screen. They know a phone is used to click pictures. They know that. Today's kid, class 1 and 2, they know that a phone is used to click pictures, and how the pictures look in the phone's gallery, in the parents or elders phone's gallery. They know how it looks. That the entire phone gallery is, you know, is manipulated through AI. When there are 300 photos in your phone gallery, and all the photos related to animals are automatically going into a separate folder, all the photos related to flowers or nature are going to a separate folder. Let's say all the photos related to waterfall are going to a separate folder. All the photos related to humans are going to a separate folder. So AI, without letting you know, is identifying the photographs and making separate folders of those photographs. So that means your entire phone gallery is maintained by AI, is controlled by AI. So this example you can give in the class, that the phone gallery that you see in your parents' phone is managed through AI. It is smart enough to identify the photographs and separate them into separate folders. So the phone gallery, the phone is intelligent. How it is intelligent? The artificial intelligence is making the phone intelligent to look at the photograph, identify the photograph, whether it is an animal or a flower, and making it into separate folders, shifting the photographs into separate folders. So this is the first way to introduce a child to AI and the thing that they are actually experiencing in everyday life. The same way, fingerprint scanner. Now ask the child, have you seen your parents, opening your phone, you're logging in your phone using fingerprints, using their thumbs? They use their fingerprint to open the phone. They use their face to open the phone. Have they seen? ask the students. Now, some of them will say, yes, we have seen. And all of them must have seen at home or somewhere with, to their elders that they open their phone using their fingerprint or their face. So let them understand, make the student understand that this technology is AI. This is through AI. This is an intelligent technology that reads your fingerprint, you know, that senses your the prints on your finger. It matches with the prints on the print stored in the phone, and then it unlocks your phone. So the phone is locked. It is for the security point of view, so that nobody else can use the phone. So this fingerprint scanner works with AI. It makes the phone intelligent enough that only the user can unlock the phone. Your mother's phone can only be unlocked by the mother only. The father's phone will only be unlocked by father only. And the teacher's phone will only be unlocked by that teacher only, because this is a smart technology that keeps your phone secure from others. And this technology is AI. The same way your retina detection, or the kids won't understand the word retina, so only say the face scanner. So when they scan their face in the phone, so that unlocks the phone. So only the user of the phone can unlock it through the face. So this is again an intelligent technology that the kids are seeing in everyday life. At home, they are experiencing these things every day. Unlocking a phone, the photo gallery of a smartphone, various other features of a smartphone. These things the kids are, you know, experiencing every day at home, and now they should connect it with AI. So if anyone asks them what is AI, they can recall these experiences, that yes, I have seen my parents unlock their phone like this. I have seen my parents clicking photos in phone, and the gallery has many separate folders. So automatically the pictures go into a separate folder. So that is all through AI. So there are various other experiences that the kids experience every day, but they do not know that is through AI. They must have seen, you know, finding routes through Google Maps or any map. They must have seen their parents looking for routes. They must have seen their parents while driving or while going to a place when they don't know the exact route. They must have seen their parents, mother or father, using Google Maps for routes. So that map is again driven by AI. So you can make the student understand that these kind of maps that takes you from one place to another easily, that, you know, tells you about the routes from one place to another easily, and tells you everything about where there is a petrol pump, where there is a restaurant, where there is a hotel, or where there is a school, where there is a hospital. Everything is there in the map. This map is driven by AI. This is again an intelligent technology that is through AI. Now, the students must have seen, the kids must have seen QR codes, making their parents payment through QR codes. Like here, the kids are talking about, like, I have seen my father using this kind of code to make payment. So yes, so the kids must have seen their parents scanning this kind of a code for making payments while shopping. So introduce them with QR code. This kind of code is called a QR code, and that is used to make payment. They have seen it previously. Now they will relate it with AI. Yes, this is a smart technology that makes you know, payments very easily and intelligently and in a secure way. So the kids must have seen these kind of toys. As you can see on the screen, kids must have seen these kind of toys. Now all these toys are smart toys. So now the kids have seen the toys. Now they are relating them with the smart toys. So relating them with AI. So this is the thing that when the kids now see these kind of things, now after the class, when they will go to market, they will see this kind of QR code. They will experience their parents using smartphones for clicking pictures. They will experience their parents unlocking their phone or using Google Maps. Now they will relate it with AI and they will tell their parents that, yes, I know this technology is through AI, through artificial intelligence. The kids now, when the kids will play using these smart toys, the toys that are controlled with remote, or the toys that having sensors that they respond to what the user says, and these kind of toys, now kids will relate them to AI, tell them that these kind of toys are artificially intelligent toys. So these are AI toys. Now, the next thing, what these are the things they are experiencing at home or in their surroundings in everyday life. Okay. Now, what about schools? How kids are experiencing AI in schools. The schools must have CCTV cameras. There are many places in the schools where you have CCTV cameras. So make them relate that, yes, the recording that we store, and then we can use those recording to search certain things, to find out certain things. That is all an intelligent technology. Today's kids, many kids have seen these smart speakers called Alexa or Siri. So this is through AI technology. Make them understand that these smart speakers, the Alexa, Siri, the smart speakers that can answer our questions, that can do certain things for us. If you ask them to play a music, they will, play that song for you. If you ask them what is today's date or what a certain time, and they will tell you the things. So these intelligent speakers are driven by AI. They are using AI technology. The same way, smart cameras. Many kids must be having these type of smart doorbells or smart cameras, outside their main gate, just to check who has come at the door. So these type of cameras are smart cameras, smart doorbells are there. So make them understand that that technology is AI. Today's TVs, most of the TVs are smart TVs. So if you can make them understand that if your remote has this kind of voice button, if you can use your voice to search, if you can watch OTT channels like Netflix or Amazon Prime or Disney Hotstar on your TV, then that TV is a smart TV. If you can use your remote as a voice assistant, you can talk to your remote for searching, you can use your voice for searching, you can watch YouTube in your on your TV, then that TV is a smart TV. Make them understand that what they are watching at home is a smart TV. They do not know, they are already using AI, experiencing AI in their everyday life in the form of smartphones, in the form of smart TVs, smart cameras, smart speakers. And smartphone is the most common thing. Most common thing, every in every house there must be at least one smartphone. The student must have seen a smartphone. So make them understand that what they are already experiencing in everyday life, they are actually using AI. Now that is about at home and in everyday life. Now what about school? So let's make AI fun in school. So when you teach AI in school, you must be sharing these free applications with the students. In the computer lab, you take the students in the computer lab, and these are the free applications, freewares. You just go to the website and play these AI games and make kids understand what interesting things can be done through AI. So let's make AI fun in the computer lab. So this is Blob Opera. So if we open Blob Opera, if you have your system in front of you, you can open in that. Yes. Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen? Yes, thank you. Thank you. So now this is a very interesting game for kids. You can drag these blobs to make them sing opera, and you will get new blobs. They are, they all sound different vowels. They all have different pitch, and so this way you can make them sound very interesting. You can, the kids can have fun with that. Now this is just the introductory part. This is just the introductory part. We can start recording also. Now you can start here, the kids can start recording from here, and they can just create these kind of opera music. Now what this says, it says that this is an intelligent technology that reads your mouse dragging, that at what till what point you drag the mouse, and with that, with the real time responsiveness, they are creating music. The pitch, the volume, everything adjustment will be depending on the real time dragging of your mouse. So it is not, you are not giving them any command. It is just real time responsiveness using the machine learning. So this is AI, how AI can make you understand, make you have fun with different games. So this is one game that the kids can play in the class. Okay, so another game, let's go to a quick draw session. So this is also a free environment, a freeware. This is also, quick draw is also a freeware where the kids will make interesting drawings, and what AI will do, what your computer will do, it will guess what you have created. So it will ask you to create something, and then it will guess whether you have created that or not. So this is intelligence. You have made your computer intelligent, that it will guess what you have drawn. You can launch the experiment from here. Click on the launch experiment, and let's draw. So let's draw a cell phone under 20 seconds. Okay, got it? So let us draw a cell phone under 20 seconds.
Or skyscraper. Oh, I know. It's cell phone.
Yes, it's cell phone. It has detected. So let's draw a sock under 20 seconds.
Oh, I know. It's sock.
It's sock. So in this way, you can draw different things. and it will guess what you have drawn. So this is again a very interesting drawing platform for students, interactive drawing platform, where the computer has been made intelligent that it will guess what you have drawn. So now this is the time in the school they will experience AI, that yes, AI can can create music for us, AI can guess what we have drawn, so AI can do so many things. Now let the blooming bud, let the child experience what AI can do. Another experiment is song maker. So let's go to the song maker site, and this is a song maker. So we can launch the experiment by clicking the launch experiment. These are all freewares, free websites. You do not need to purchase any license or anything. They are not even the trial versions and all. So these are all free websites. You can use it in your computer labs, and make the child have fun experience with AI. So this is a song maker. All these boxes have different sounds and pitches. Just click on the box and experience the sound. Now here the student, after recording the music, the student can play. And here what they have created, what music they have created. So this is again generative AI. This is again the kids will experience generative AI, that the screen, that your computer has been made that much intelligent that whatever box you click on, it records as per that box, as per that response, and it creates music, a continuous sound waves according to the box you have selected. So these kind of experience the child would learn, and they do not need to learn the definition, or they do not need to know the technicalities behind AI. At this level, at the foundation stage, at this level of class 1 and 2, they just need to know that they can experience AI in their everyday life. There is AI in the world, and AI is making their living smarter and easier. AI is making the work easier, fun, and most efficient. It takes lesser time while when you use AI for doing something. It takes less time to create music using AI. It takes less time to to go to one place to another place when you do not know the route using AI, using Google Maps. It is taking less time and less effort to arrange all the photographs in a smartphone through AI. So AI is actually making the life easier and smarter. So this is what the child should understand at this level, at foundation level, that how AI is making their life easier. They do not need to learn those technicalities. Now there are few more games they can play. You can note down these games, teachers, and these are all freewares. There you can take your children to these sites and make them play these wonderful games. So this is how you need to teach AI, how the kid experiences AI in the school, at their home, and in the everyday world. So this is the major objective of what AI can do. Now when we say that AI, have you noted down, if you want, I can take you to the previous screen. Have you noted down those names of these, applications? You can take them to these sites: Blob Opera, Quick Draw, Song Maker. Please note down these sites. And these sites will be used for you know, these sites will be used for giving your child a good experience about AI, a very interesting experience about AI. Now, um, there are some. Yes. Now I am sharing a link with you. I have shared a link with you, teachers. Now please, go to the link and share what insight have you got today and what have you learned from this. Now you can, if you have any, you want to discuss anything, if you want to discuss anything, you can write here. Yes, I have got some queries like another AI app for higher education. Yes, today's topic is for blooming buds. So today we are discussing only about the foundation level students, that is class 1 and 2. We will definitely have sessions for higher classes for 3 to 5 also, and then for 6 to 8 also, for preparatory level and for a middle level. We are going to have sessions. So have you got the link, everyone? Check. Have you got the link? I've shared it again. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. So this was basically for your foundation level students. So you can please ask if you have any query, anything you want to discuss, or any experience that you have got in the class while teaching AI. So please discuss it here with all the teachers. If any fun experience you have had.
Yeah. So thank you so much, Arpita, for your valuable suggestions. Of course, I must say I'm going to use this song maker today with my kid because I'm sure that my kid is going to be using it up to their fullest. And of course, uh, these all suggestions, these all realistic things. Because the whole session I was watching, it was worth attending a whole realistic session. How do we use AI in our practical life is something which is shown in this, and what is better than this? I mean, I'm sure that all the participants have learned it, and of course they're going to use these all freewares. And I would like to tell all the participants that Arpita has written 2 books. One is with the name of Livewire, another is with the name of Adroit, whereas there is a mention of all these freewares. If you really want to teach computers with the practical approach, then you must go through these books. One is with the name of Livewire published by Indianica Learning, and another is with the name of Adroit. So you can contact us. You can share your details in the link which we have shared with you. And then very soon our team will get in touch with you, and then probably you'll get the books, copies in your hand. And of course, you can go through, and of course, you can learn more practical approaches. Uh, the whole session was worth attending, at least for me. I'm a non-tech person. I don't know the technology as good as you, but yeah, it was worth attending for me. The books, so Seema ma'am has written, it is with the name of Live Wire for grades 1 to 8. And we have book named Adroit also for grades 1 to 8. So since it is the beginning, it is the first session, and we've got massive, experience. The whole show is completely booked. Thank you so much for your love and your participation. And I request everyone to please continue to participate, because the next session is going to be adjoining with the first learning outcomes. And then probably we're going to launch a series. So far, the creative which you have received has sessions till December. But don't worry, probably by November end or December first week, we're going to send another creative with you, which will have the schedule for the next 3 months. And it will continue and on and on and on. So this whole series marathon, I'm sure that together we're going to explore, we're going to learn, and I'm sure that it's a win-win situation for both of us. The trainer is going to learn, and of course the participants are going to learn. If you have any question, using chat option, you can ask this question. Also, in the link shared by me, as shared by Arpita, also you can put your remarks and you can ask your questions. Of course, we are also working in building the teachers community together, where Arpita is going to be the admin of that community, and wherever you want to interact with Arpita directly or using the technology name WhatsApp or maybe other functionalities, we'll make those communities, and we'll definitely get in touch and stay tuned together for further purposes as well. We at Indianica believe that a book requires the educators and the practical experience, the consumer intelligence, and of course, all the participants who are with us, they are the best resources for us. If the book is made by you, for your learners, it's going to be the best product across the nation, I must say. In case you have any question, you want to ask any question, you may ask. Otherwise, then we'll end up this session, and then probably in the next session, we'll meet again.
Yes, actually the next session will be about for the next level of students, how to teach AI to the next level, to the preparatory level students who know about these basics. Now they are going to learn one step ahead. Now you are going to make them move one step ahead in artificial intelligence journey. So our next session will be for the next level of kids. So please join the session, and it will be fun. It will be fun, I assure you. So thank you so much for attending this session.
Absolutely. And even if you're teaching,
thank you so much.
Teaching senior classes, the preparatory stages, the content for the next session is also going to be equally important, because you might be having kids at your home who are studying in the same age in the classes, or probably understanding from the basics will also let you understand the advanced level of that. So thank you so much, Arpita, for training the people, and of course sharing your wonderful experience with the people, and of course all my wonderful audience for your time and your patience. I'm sure that you have attended, you have learned some part of it, and of course you're going to implement in your classroom. Stay tuned with Indianica Learning through our WhatsApp community. For any suggestions, you can get in touch with us through WhatsApp as well, the same way that you've received the message. So we are closing for today, but yes, it is just a pause. We will resume it again next week. Stay tuned. Thank you so much. You all have a great evening here. Thank you. Namaskar.
Thank you.